Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Alibaba application not working. So if Alibaba app is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, there might be some bugs in the application. In that case, what you have to do is update the app in order to fix it. So for that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Alibaba. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Alibaba and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it. Now wait for a while. After a while, your application will be updated. Now it should start working. But if your application still does not work, it might be because of the cache. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache of app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Alibaba and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Alibaba. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the cache will be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply uninstall the application and install it again. In order to uninstall it, you can simply go back. Now you can tap on this option uninstall that you can see on the screen. After that, Alibaba application will be uninstalled. You can go ahead and install it again from Play Store and try using it. Now your application should start working. So that is how you fix Alibaba application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.